how much is 35% of 410? Or how about 65% of 445? I am sure 95% of you can't solve this quickly in your head. Calculating these percentages using the standard method is quite difficult without a calculator. But don't worry, we are here to share a few tips and tricks that you can use to solve percentage problems within seconds. Welcome to the first episode of MTG's new series, Basic Math Simplified. Let's start. Percent means by the 100, that is a part of something out of 100. For example, 35% means 35 out of 100, which simply means 0.35. The easiest way to solve any percentage problem is to multiply the number of items in the question by the decimal form of the percent. Previously, we calculated the decimal of 35%, which is 0.35. So, to calculate 35% of 410, we simply have to multiply 0.35 into 410. That is 143.5. Easy, isn't it? You can even memorize some common percentages to calculate a wide variety of percentages without a calculator. Number 1 is 25%, which means 1 by 4th or 1 by 4. So to calculate 25% of any number, we have to divide it by 4. For example, 25% of 480 will be 480 divided by 4, which will be 120. Number 2 is 50%. 50% means half or 1 by 2. So to calculate 50% of any number, we have to divide it by 2. For example, 50% of 468 will be 468 divided by 2, which will be 234. Third is 10%. 10% means 1 by 10th or 1 by 10. So to calculate 10% of any number, we simply have to divide it by 10. For example, 10% of 520 will be 520 divided by 10. In turn will be 52. So, I hope you learned something today. Do like this video and don't forget to share it with the people you think need to learn this trick. Subscribe to MTG channel to learn more tricks from this series. I will see you soon. Thank you.